So now the song is like this. Lord, I lift the name on high. Lord, I want to sing your praises. I'm so glad you came to save me. You came from heaven to earth. You showed the way from the end to the cross. Finding to pay from the cross to the grave, from the grave to the sky. Lord, I lift your name on high. Okay, so the just progression is very simple. Just start from your one, your do. You get from fa, sol, fa, do. Okay, so it's do, fa, sol, fa, do, do, fa, sol, fa, now you play that me major 7 I showed you. And then so Lord, I lift your name on. Now I play re. Okay, your re. Because this is do. This is re. Re la re la. Okay, so you use your finger, your first finger to bar from the re, the fifth string. Then your middle finger goes on the va, second string. While your ring finger goes on the la, fourth string. While your pinky goes under the la, which is the re again. That gives you the re chord. Okay. Oh, I lift your name on. Okay. Just one beat. Lord, I raise sword. That is the professional playing. Okay. When you're advancing, before you go to saw chord, you need to play re before going to saw. Okay, that is an advanced playing. Okay. Those are the things you need to start knowing. Okay. So the song is you came from back to the soul. So do do on the ba so do do so mi la re so do la re so do. Okay, very simple. Now this is the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern is dan up, okay, dan up, dan up, dan up, okay, dan up, dan up, dan up, okay. Dan is 2. The first one is not really loud. The second one is louder when you're picking from the up down. Okay, dan up, okay, dan up. Dan up. Okay, so that is it. So wherever you don't understand, you can get back to me. Okay, I'll give you the answer.